Every day, I tell you to hold Bitcoin and never sell. But there is a point when you do sell your Bitcoin. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching this video. My name is Davinci. I'm in the pipe 5x5 here in Dubai. Hope you're doing well wherever you are in this world. It is, well, I usually save this for the live stream, but
it's Friday then. It's Saturday, Sunday.
What?
It's Friday then.
It's Saturday, Sunday. What? Oh, damn. Today we're going to be talking about what point do you sell your Bitcoins? Because, hey, I need to sell that for something, right? Because I don't want just Bitcoin for the sake of Bitcoin, right? It's true. It's true. If you want to sell Bitcoin, I'm going to tell you right now, you want to sell your Bitcoins when the monetary system collapses. You're like, what? Huh? What? Well, it's simple. You don't need to sell your Bitcoins ever. You need to save those Bitcoins until you have a large enough stack so that when prices are down, you go like 50, borrow against it at 50%. When it's like, for example, let's just say in November of 2026, you borrow against it. Maybe with 30, you borrow 33%. Because you could just print money and get money to spend and keep your Bitcoins. Thus, you never sell your Bitcoins. And there's going to be many different ways to do that coming up soon without losing custody of your Bitcoin unless they need to be liquidated. So we're going to be showing you that sometime during the course of these videos. So make sure you hit subscribe, you hit like, right? And you be a part of a big change in the financial system that is coming your way. Because, hey, you know what? As long as they continue to keep this money printing system, you never need to sell your Bitcoin. You could always just get some free printed money. All right, with that said, we're going to go over some price analysis as Bitcoin has dropped heavily, and same with a few other things. I'm going to show you what is going on. Let's start off with how bad my trade's doing. But hey, we're going to add to this trade. I'm going to add some more money shortly, and add to this trade. So you can see where I'm down to 29K. This was up 50K, right? Blam, man, damn, that was beautiful. That was like nice. Oh wow, it's all gone now. But don't worry, it'll come back. And I'm going to add to this trade shortly. So we'll talk about that in a little bit. Now, right now, we've told you that, hey, if this is an AB equals CD, right? This would be the worst case scenario. This would be the best case scenario. We already broken through that. And as you can see, right, we're zooming in, right? Let's just zoom in. We've broken down a little bit and then recovered. So can this thing continue to go back higher? Well, unfortunately, because we've decisively broke down, we could probably retest the 200 period moving average, which is like a lot lower, which is at the 102. So I would say you have to wait for that before you add to your trades. If you are adding this trade, didn't work out, so it is what it is, right? But if you're adding to your trades, you're happy for this pullback to get some more Bitcoin because we're headed a lot higher. So it's all good. It's all good if we come back down. You got to buy the dips from the dips when it dips. Okay, this trade is still alive, but barely by the skin of its teeth. Looks like they went for the liquidation here, and they got it, and then they failed. Interesting. And so, yeah, maybe we can hold the line on this one. We'll see. It's really difficult because right now you can see a lot of M's here, and with all the M's, I would say we could either walk away from this trade because look, honestly, you can see that this, even if we went with just the smallest M here, it's probably indicating that we're headed Let's see here. Let's go with this M right here. Right, we're headed a little bit lower than our stop loss. Yeah, so there you go. Right, we're going right to look at that. It's just right at the edge of our stop loss, and then we got a bigger one here, right? That will take us even further, right? Below our stop loss, all the way to this trend line. So maybe we can, reset our trade at this, 154-ish level for Solana. But let's just wait and see. Moving on to Ethereum. Wow, Ethereum looked like it was going to break out whilst everything was failing, but then, joined the party and started dumping. But this means that Ethereum is a lot stronger than Bitcoin as it's holding its own. It's probably, this is the 4-hour. Yes, it's probably going to retest the 200 period moving average. But it looks like the 200 period moving average is going to meet Ethereum. Not Ethereum is going to join the 200 period average. The price is going to come to it. So that's an interesting thing, man. Wow, it's been moving really fast. As you know, we've consolidated through time, not through price. Beautiful, beautiful. So once it does, then that will be a time to reset your buys and load up on Ethereum and head, because it's probably going to break a lot higher moving forward with over the next little while, because we're still in the bull market for all of crypto, and I'm looking forward to seeing huge prices for Bitcoin and other crypto assets. I'm not sure if Ethereum is going to do extremely well. Probably a lot of crypto assets out there are going to do well, but Ethereum is just old new story, and it will move higher, but very slowly, right? At this point, because you need big money to get it to go. And the big money's interested in Bitcoin right now. All right. Well, that said, thank you for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Peace.